By the end of this short video, you will have this moving average strategy running continuously on your cryptocurrency exchange. It will work for any exchange. Here's my Kraken exchange. You will see orders popping up here from this code. Also, you'll see how I ask ChatGPT exactly what I want, and it gives me the code, and that's where this code is going to be coming from. So here are the steps. Step 0 is the setup here. So this is not anything except creating an order. You're going to get your API from Kraken to do this, and we're going to use the CCXT library here. So now, next we're going to get the 1-minute data history for Bitcoin. So we asked this from ChatGPT, and it gave the code to us here. So now we've got the history. We put it in a pandas data frame, so you're going to need to import pandas there to do that. So next what we're going to do is we're going to get a moving average. So I asked this ChatGPT, I asked it, make a new column for the moving average with a close of a period of 20 for the close column. So it made this for me. And so now at this point, I'm not sure, is ChatGPT getting everything correct? So I asked it to plot the close and the moving average, and it gave me this code here. So let's see what this shows me. Okay, so this is pretty convincing now. It looks like I've got pretty good close moving average here. It looks like Bitcoin has dropped quite a bit in the last few minutes here. So now I'm going to define my trading strategy, which is going to be, let's see what I asked it. I asked it to make a trading strategy to buy when the close is below the moving average of 20. So this is the code it gave me here, and let's use this. Let's run this here. So, okay. So now next step is, okay, I have a strategy, but I don't want to have to keep running this every time because it's supposed to run automatically. So how do we get a strategy to run continuously here? So this code here is, we put a while loop. It's going to be an infinite loop where we have while true. It's going to get the data, of course, again, every minute, getting fresh data, putting it into data frame, making, again, the moving average. And now it's going to call this strategy here, this strategy function. Next, it's going to sleep. It's going to sleep for 60 seconds. And so it's going to do the strategy. So every minute, it's going to get the data and check if it needs to place an order here. So next, I'm going to do that. And actually, I'm going to show you a little change I made here, which is very important. So here you can see that I changed this to limit. ChatGPT gave me market because for this tutorial, I don't actually want to place a market order here because I don't actually want to make this trade right now. So I changed this to limit order, and also I changed this so that I will not actually place the limit order. This is for testing if you want to test here, but if I place market order here, it will actually make a real trade on my actual Kraken account. It will actually buy Bitcoin. So let's see now. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to run it here in the interpreter. I'm going to run it here. So I'm going to type Python and the name of the file, and it runs here. And so it's showing me all this stuff, but let's see. Okay, it has actually placed the order here, guys. It has placed the limit order to buy Bitcoin because it has detected that, in fact, we are below that moving average, at least it was at that point in time.